Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your monetization status on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. In the profile section, you can find the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen, and go to the first option, the setting and privacy. Here you can find the for professional section and tap to the creator tools and controls option. And here you can find the monetization status under the minimum age, and here you can check your monetization status. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.